All right, guys, so here's what you're going to do for this week. The first thing you need to do is you need to open your rough draft topic doc that I sent a couple weeks ago where you've been doing your work, okay? The second thing you need to do is you need to complete it. Most of you have the topic sentence done and the cluster 1 done and cluster 2 done, but today we need to finish that up. Okay, so first open up your rough draft and then you will see what you need to complete. So make sure your topic and your clusters 1, 2, 3, and 4 are done. This is 5 paragraphs total. Okay, so here's what it looks like. So here's your rough draft topic, and this is an example of mine. And then I did clusters 1, 2, and 3 last week. Okay? What you're going to do today is you're going to finish up. You're going to finish this whole thing up. So you should have a total of 5 paragraphs. When you're done, submit this to me, and then I will send you your final assignment. And your final assignment is just going to be to edit this and submit it. So it's not like you're going to have to do a whole test or anything. It's just going to be editing and submitting. So what you need to do this week, if you haven't done it yet, you need to do this whole thing. But most of you have 1, 2, and 3 done. So you'll just have to finish up 3 and 4. Okay? Remember, as always, if you have questions, email me, text me, call me, however you want to do it. I'm happy to help, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Bye, dudes.